Smack it? All right, so smack the like button.
So
what are you guys going to do here today?
We are making our easy bake oven and we are already figuring out how to work it.
You're figuring out how to work it?
Yeah, we're making something from our easy bake oven. It's mine. And we haven't used this in a while, so I'm pretty excited to use this big baby.
That big baby?
It's
All
not a baby. It's about like
So it
16
says
years old.
devil's food cake and strawberry cake. So that's one recipe. So we're going to do them both. We got to preheat the Easy Bake Oven for 20 minutes. What are you doing, Grace?
I thought it was like 24 hours. And you can hand wash that.
So that has been sprayed.
You can only hand wash that pan.
You can only hand wash the pan?
Yeah, that little. It's not the same for the spatula. I am Count Dracula with the spatula.
Okay, Count Dracula.
Count Dracula with the spatula.
So you guys need 2 little bowls.
2 little tiny bowls. Hey, you're in my mind. Stop it. Stop it.
This is the devil's food cake. And
I'm doing it. You. What does it smell like? I'm doing that one. You're doing the pink. Pinky dinky do for me, please.
okie dokie.
No, I already called it.
And then we need 1 tablespoon of water.
I don't think that's... So you're just gonna use that one?
There you go. Here's the spoon and mix it. Hold on to the bowl with one hand and mix it with the other.
I know.
Okay.
These are starting to look like strawberry milk. It's looking like strawberry milk.
And it says stir both until smooth.
Mine's actually almost smooth already. Because I was doing it first. Probably because it's my easy bake oven. Looks like mine's almost smooth. It smells like chocolate because of this.
Could be.
I like doing editing videos because I love it because we can make our own channel and we can make our own subscribe button.
Okay.
Okay,
You're done,
we're
Grace?
leaving this. Yeah, mine's smooth. It's pretty smooth.
Right.
You're a better mixer than me.
I don't know about that.
I am not that good of a mixer. Mom's better. Guys, sorry, but probably at 8 o'clock we are stopping this. No, I'm just joking.
All right, you ready for me to do your stirring?
Yeah. Wow, this is so smooth. Yum. And it smells like strawberry milk. What does yours smell like? Chocolate. Chocolate milk. Ooh. Chocolate milk. And it doesn't look that much like chocolate milk. It looks more chocolatey. Mine.
All right. Timer just went off.
So this is what this
The
time
directions say to put half,
now.
put this in 1/2 of the pan.
What happened with that?
You help me? Help me scrape it out.
Oh, these are brownies.
No, that's a cake.
Yeah, it's a cake brownie thingamajig.
No? Okay, you say so.
The thingamajig. I
There we
think
go.
I'm
We'll set that
going
aside and it says to smooth it
to smoothen it out.
this way. And then Gracie, I think you can put the pink part on the other half of the pan.
And then we put the frosting in the
No,
middle.
we gotta cook it first.
Okay. So jump. Jump, I just jump. Woo. Wobble, 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 wobble. I tried it.
Sure.
I won't try mine. I'll share. I can share. Here.
should have just left it out for you to try. Here.
It's delicioso.
There you go.
Can I have some of this?
Well, hold on. Let's finish this part.
Can I try it? Live it and share
You
it.
can share, girls. Just smooth it all out here.
That is the best thing I've ever tasted.
If you speak.
Yeah, it's actually really good. I want some.
Here's yours, Grace.
I want
Okay.
Boom.
Next, you got to put it in the oven.
And the easybakeoven.
Remember, it's hot.
Did you burn yourself?
No.
It just was a little hot. Hey.
Oh, let's on this side. Gracie, remember you gonna help me with this?
Yeah.
Gotta set it in here
I'm too young.
like this.
Okay.
And then you gotta use your,
Spatula.
push it all the way in. No, other side. Other side, other side. Turn it around, there you go.
That's right.
Use this to push it in. I think that's good. Pull it all the way out.
My spatula is famous.
Okay, perfect. So I have it closed. You can see the girls eating the rest of the cake batter.
Do you like it? This is the best thing I've ever tasted.
16 minutes for the timer.
This one's better than that. Yeah, I know. Chocolate's better than strawberry. I'll have one. Wanna try
you guys
it?
want to share with your brother?
Yeah.
That would be nice of you, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I want the chocolate. Okay.
Let JJ have some.
Okay. Just take a finger. Rub your finger on some of the chocolate.
JJ, how come you won't do any videos with us?
Because I want to do a Fortnite one. Delicioso.
Mommy just
Like
doesn't
it?
have a strong enough computer for it.
Whoa.
Oh.
The spoon's too heavy for the
All right, we'll be back in a few minutes to take the cake out. Okay, the timer went off. Time to take it out.
This is going to be fun.
I have to do it?
Yeah.
You guys are busy eating Cheetos?
I'm better at eating Cheetos than doing that. Yeah, you're supposed to push it to the other side. Others.
I'm supposed to push it to the other side, Grace.
Wow, that looks tasty. Now we're going to do something.
There's the cake. Looks so pretty.
Yes, it
We gotta let it cool down and make the frosting. We'll be right back. All right, they got their cake all done. Now they need to do their frosting. It's 1 1/4 teaspoons of water.
That's a good cake. It's like but don't pet my kitty. She's cute. I won't. Oh, sweetie. It's like the other one, but with the teaspoon of water first.
All right, you gotta mix it up.
Okay. I'll share. That looks so good, Mommy. The cake. Oh, it's kind of like.
I want to take a bite of the chocolate part.
I'll take a bite of both. You can have the middle, please. Give a thumbs up if you like. If you have an easy bake oven. And give a thumbs up if you love kitties.
Let me help.
This is only a head kitty and a tail kitty, but I can find the brush to her. So she's gonna be like this forever. She's gonna be so fuzzy and so
what's your favorite flavor of cake?
And comment down below if you love Christmas.
I'll say everyone loves Christmas.
And comment down below if you love this kitty. And comment down below if you have a kitty or you have a dog, because our grandma has a dog.
All right, Gracie, go ahead and frost your cake.
Give a like if you're going to be here around 3:25, because I might do a Galactus live event.
We're not live, JJ.
And if you love
The cake
kitties
is
like
coming
this,
apart. The
with only a
chocolate's
tail,
coming off
and
of the strawberry.
get one of these because it only has a tail and it has a wire in it so you can twist it.
Twist it and you can make it do the floss, the
Dab, eat.
And it's not, it doesn't matter if it's fancy or not. I'm gonna cut a hot chocolate.
Okay.
I can cut
Take
it.
a bite. Careful.
It looks good.
It is good.
What hand do you eat?
Hey, that's mine.
You got it?
Mhm.
Get in there.
Ma,
Get in the video.
it fell on the cake. That's good. I had part of the
Just one bite? Okay.
frosting's delicious.
Hi, sweet pie.
Comment down below if you love this cake, if you have an easy bake oven and make it.
You want the sun?
It's the best thing ever. It's better than JJ's cupcake from his birthday.
All right, guys, let's wrap it up. Say thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you
Watching.
For what?
Watching.
Okay.
I hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button and we will see you
Next time.
good.
Bye.